Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a battery from a BMW 1 Series. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and all electrical accessories are disconnected. Wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. The battery is usually found in the trunk or sometimes under the rear seat. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. Always start with the negative terminal first to prevent accidental short circuits. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away from the battery post. After that, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal in the same manner, ensuring it's also secured safely. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery's hold-down mechanism. This is typically a clamp or strap that secures the battery in its tray. You might need a 13 mm socket or another specific tool for the fasteners. Once the hold-down is removed, carefully lift the battery out. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs. Before installing your new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminal connections. When installing the new battery, reverse the disconnection process. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Ensure all connections are tight. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center to protect the environment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.